Well, some time passed since I made my last video, so I'm actually finally in my share house at the moment, which I'll be staying here for 1 year. And today I'm going out with two friends I've already made here. We're going to Inokachira Koen to see the Hanami. It's gonna be my first time and my only time I will be able to see those trees, so I'm excited for that. And also I'm going to the Jampara or Yodobashi camera and heart of at the center in Kichijoji, because I still need, like, how do you call those things with like multiple outlets connected to it, and maybe a new phone, because my phone is shit at the moment and I really need a new phone. So I'm gonna search for that. It's gonna be an exciting day today and I'm very happy. Breakfast is bread, milk, cacao powder, 2 yogurts, some jelly for the bread, for the toasts. Toast, something like that. Boom.
He needs some milk!
You wanna introduce yourself? We don't know who you are yet.
I'm John C. From Vancouver. I live here, I work here, I have an art degree. I don't really know what my life is anymore.
And then?
I'm done. 23, single.
Nice. I didn't say that.
Okay. Someone you want to reach on the internet then?
Candidate, you could be with this man for just
$1, please.
For $1.
For $1, damn! Don't miss out on this action, guys.
It's in a lifetime opportunity.
Look at all those swan boats. Wing. There's a temple, apparently.
The shrine over there is really nice. Pointing in this direction. That's crazy.
We were hesitating, but in the end decided to take a rowboat.
I decided. I am the captain now.
Yeah.
Captain
Yes.
of the boat.
Yes, sir. More difficult than I thought. Ben, are you feeling safe?
I am feeling really safe. I think we're gonna make it at least somewhere in the...
It's really not smooth either.
No, I can tell. I'm sorry, man. But the aesthetic! We are out here!
So that was a lot of fun. Now we're going to the center of Kichijoji to continue our day and go to a jampara, etc. Bought a new phone. So weird. Never bought a phone, so yeah.
Do you want to go now?
Oh yeah. Because Ben doesn't like it apparently.
I do be like that.
Okay, so after we ate, we went grocery shopping because I still had some things to buy. For example, I had to buy washing pots because the first time I went to the grocery and I thought I was buying things to wash colored clothes, I bought this. These kanjis literally say bleaching product. And I'm completely at fault because there's the simple kanji of shiro for white, and that already should have been enough to tell me that I didn't have to buy this. I did. I was wrong. I hope I can return it. But anyways, so I bought actual washing pots for my clothes to finally be able to wash some of my clothes, because the last time I did was in Shikoku on the 4th or 5th day, so they need to be washed. Set up my iPhone. It's setting up. There's my 300 euro iPhone on the floor next to my iPhone 7, and I also bought hangers so I can finally hang my stuff, because at the moment everything just lays on the fucking thing. So that's also a nice change. Really liked the day. It was really fun to be able to walk with friends around in town, and friends I have only known for 2 days actually. Just I know them since Wednesday, and Ben I only know since yesterday, and we already like had a fun day out. Saw the beautiful Inokashirako and the very lively city of Kichijoji, and like you saw, my friends are also into camera, video vlogging, etc. So we've got the same interests, which is nice. Very happy. It was a nice day.